All right, I am here with the Johnsons. We are closing on the sale of your house, so you can. Yes, and that way you can move into your new house here in a couple of days. So, now how'd the process go for you?
It's really it's gone great. It's taken a lot longer than we anticipated, but we particularly wanted the right family to move into our home. That's our neighborhood somebody's moving into. And so the process took a little bit longer for the right family to come along, and things got negotiated in the right manner. And it was a great match for you, Chris, and I, and Karen to work well together. Questions came up. We got what we knew was expertise, easy answers. You made it very easy for us to follow procedures that we were certainly not familiar with. New territory for us. And as it turns out now, what a wonderful, seamless situation. Our house in Manville really could not have been ready any sooner. Although we started talking with them, but there was a bare lot last July when we started talking with Servell. So today we did the final walkthrough. The house was not ready until today, and this afternoon we closed with Servell. So
the timing is just amazing, and yeah, you had an interesting experience, and I mean, I guess no experience is the same selling a house. Had a buyer, like the day before they were supposed to close, they just changed their mind. Kind of bizarre. First time I've ever had that, but
peculiar circumstances.
Very, but we ended up having an open house. Another buyer came by and they absolutely loved it. They were blowing my phone up, and you know, they had some unique things that they had to work through to make sure that they could close. Here we are, finally closing, so you can move into your new homestead. So,
as a matter of fact, we're going to move into the garage, because we have primarily relied on our RV as our temporary homestead. Relatives have really been wonderfully gracious to us, but our mainstay has been our RV. So, to celebrate that, we're going to live tonight in our RV, in our garage.
All right.
It's an RV garage.
Talking luxury living here.
Big time, big time. Even though we won't have a 30-amp outlet yet today. That's just about almost.
Great. All right. So would you recommend Balance Realty Group to your
Absolutely.
friends?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Looking forward to, matter of fact, we already have. So it's been a great furthering of our relationship, and look forward to your helping other people that we know.
Absolutely.
That'd be a treat for us to know that you've also helped other people that we know.
Thank you. And would you mind if we use this video in our marketing?
We would ask that you do so.
All right. Thank you so much.